So you started your AI automation agency, you found your first client, and you started working on a project for them. But how do you actually deliver the services? In this video, I'm gonna walk you through exactly how you should deliver your AI automation services to your clients, including what services you should provide, how to deliver them, and some tips and tricks along the way. As the demand for AI automation agencies continues to grow, it is critical for agency owners to master their service delivery. Whether you're looking to start building your own AI automation agency, or you've already built one and are looking to scale your services, this video is the right place for you. This video is going to be packed with knowledge to help you increase your client satisfaction and your agency's efficiency. But before we get started, if you're new to the channel, my name is Tyler Germain, and I founded and operate an AI automation agency called Automation Unlocked. Today, we're walking through the services that we offer, the importance of scoping projects, strategies for collecting payments, and best practices for starting and delivering projects. So let's jump right into the video and unlock the secrets of how to deliver high quality services for your AI automation agency. There are two types of offers that stand out: systems automation and custom trained chatbots. Systems automation plays a huge role in the world of AI automation, but most of these other YouTubers aren't even talking about it. It's using Make.com and Zapier to streamline tasks, optimize workflows, and increase the overall efficiency of both your agency and your clients. It's how our agency got its start and how I recommend all of you get started as well. But another essential service that we provide is the ability to create custom trained chatbots on your client's data. These chatbots have completely changed customer support in almost every industry. Two of the popular no-code tools that we use to develop these custom trained chatbots are Botpress and Stack AI. They both have powerful capabilities to design, train, and deploy custom chatbots trained on your data, but they have slightly different use cases. Botpress works best when it's a templated conversation, whereas Stack AI, which is built directly on LangChain, is a bit better for customized conversations. Stack AI is just a visual interface for you to build LangChain models with, but it also hosts the model. That means you can interact with it directly via an API call. So you can use Stack AI in your Make.com automations, your Zapier automations, and you can even include it in your Botpress chatbots. The best part is it's fairly easy to learn, especially when compared to trying to learn LangChain from scratch. Botpress, on the other hand, allows you to create customized chatbots, but also has integrations with a lot of major messaging platforms. You can integrate your Botpress chatbot directly with apps like WhatsApp, Slack, Discord, and let your users use these chatbots anywhere they want. You can also embed the chatbot directly on your website's homepage. These chatbots enhance customer engagement, improve response times, and provide around-the-clock support for your clients. It offers a scalable solution to answer customer inquiries, onboard new clients, and even facilitate transactions. Now that we've explored the types of services offered by AI automation agencies, let's shift our focus to one of the most important aspects of doing client work: scoping projects. Scoping a project effectively lays the groundwork to having a successful automation with a satisfied client. If you don't scope your projects correctly, you're going to end up doing a ton of work with little to show for it. So the first step in scoping a project is having a meeting with your client and determining their needs and their desired outcomes. By asking the right questions and actively listening to your clients, you can align your services with the client's vision and make sure that the partnership is beneficial for both of you. And once the objectives are defined, it's easy to conduct a feasibility assessment. That's when you ask yourself, is this even going to be possible? You need to assess the feasibility of actually creating this automation that will fulfill your client's needs. Most importantly, you need to make sure all of the software platforms involved have an API that you can directly connect to. By conducting these evaluations upfront, you allow yourself to identify challenges and propose solutions before even starting work for the client. Then, you need to clearly define your project's timeline. Clearly defining project milestones and deliverables is crucial for any agency to maintain strong client relationships. I recommend breaking the project down into manageable phases and establishing specific milestones that help mark the progress. But you can also define the expected deliverables at each stage of the project. That will help with transparency and help align expectations with the client. Make sure that you consider the factors like the complexity of the automation, availability of resources, and any challenges you might face along the way. So you've scoped your project, you know it's possible, now it's time to take a payment. Having a solid system to get paid for your clients is obviously crucial for any AI automation agency. It's going to impact both the growth and the sustainability of your agency. So let's talk about how to do so. In order to streamline the payment process, it's important to have a good, reliable payment processing system. The platform we use at Automation Unlocked is Stripe.com. Stripe has a super user-friendly portal that allows us to create invoices, add our own custom branding, and send them directly to our clients. It also has different payment options like credit cards and ACH bank transfers. Using this professional approach is not only going to increase your agency's image, but it's also going to streamline the process for both you and your clients. But to receive these payments, you're going to need to integrate your bank account directly with Stripe. The funds will be transferred securely and directly into your account. In our case, for Automation Unlocked, we use Mercury Bank. This is definitely not sponsored, and I'm not here to give banking advice, so you should use whatever bank suits your business's needs. If you're working with clients on retainer, you can set up automated recurring payments. This is going to significantly streamline your revenue collection process, and it's going to make it way easier to collect those retainer-based models. Stripe has a really cool subscription feature that allows you to bill your customers at determined intervals, so that's what we use at Automation Unlocked. And now that you know how to collect payments from your clients, let's talk about kicking off projects. Starting things off on the right foot is the way that you're going to set the stage for your business relationship with your clients. So here's exactly what you need to know. When starting a project with a client, you need to have a contract in place. I always recommend having a written agreement in place that breaks down the scope of work, deliverables, timelines, payment terms, and any other relevant details. If you need a template, you can head down to the description below, join our Automation Unlocked Discord community, and we've shared a ton of helpful resources for you to get started. While this step might seem a bit formal, especially when you're just getting your first client, it establishes clear expectations and it also helps you build trust with your clients. But how do you access their accounts? When you're working with clients, it's usually expected to share usernames and passwords for platforms and tools. To share these passwords securely, you're going to want to use a tool like 1Password or Dashlane. At Automation Unlocked, we personally use Dashlane. Dashlane allows you to securely store and share your passwords and logins with your client, eliminating the need to share them through insecure messaging platforms like Slack or Discord. When you centralize your password management, you streamline collaboration while still maintaining a high level of security. That's important for building trust with your clients and having an efficient agency. To kickstart your client projects, it's important to have your client log in and create a Make.com account. You're going to want them to add you to this account as a collaborator, and you're also going to want them to change their organization name to something descriptive. This allows you as an agency owner to easily find their organization as you're searching through the list of organizations that have shared access with you. Then, you should send your client a loom that breaks down the exact process for connecting each of the platforms that you're going to need for your Make.com automations. Recording these looms is not 100% necessary, but it definitely ensures the fact that our clients are connecting their accounts correctly. Once you go off in Make.com, you build your automations, it's time to actually deliver the automation to the client. This is where a lot of people get stuck. I'm going to walk you through the crucial steps and processes that my agency uses to make sure that our clients are happy when we deliver them their final automations. Before handing over your automation to your client, you want to go through thorough quality checks and testing. Run the automation countless times. Try to make it fail. Give it inputs it shouldn't expect. You're trying to identify any potential issues or bugs that the automation might run into while the client is using it. This is just going to make sure that your client's automation runs 100% as expected, and there isn't much need for maintenance or back and forth after the project is delivered. If you deliver polished and reliable AI solutions to your clients, they're going to keep coming back and they're going to trust you. But client feedback is important. It plays a vital role in refining and perfecting the final delivered project. If the client isn't happy, we're not happy. So actively listen to their feedback and use it as an opportunity to enhance the solution. If you find that they're asking for too much, that's okay. Just tell them that and bundle it into a future project. If what you've created is solid so far, they're going to want to continue working with you. When delivering the final automation to your clients, it's important to deliver the project professionally. You want to create clear documentation that outlines the functionalities, configurations, and the usage of the AI automation solution that you created for your client. Create user guides, technical documentation, absolutely anything possible to make it a smooth transition when you hand over your automation to your clients. And then even after delivering your automation to your clients, you're going to want to consider offering some sort of maintenance package just in case anything goes wrong. I'll get into the pricing for this a little bit in a later video, but it's important to know the general concept of a maintenance package right now. Automation solutions typically require periodic updates, bug fixes, and overall enhancements to the entire automation workflow. You'll want to establish a clear communication system and a specific process for handling any inquiries that come in terms of maintenance for previously completed automation projects. When you offer long-term support, you're showing to the client that you're committed to the long-term success of this automation, as opposed to just building the base and letting them run off with it. So if you're interested in learning more about starting your own AI automation agency, or you're already running one and you're looking for ways to improve it, head to the description and click the link for our Discord. Our Discord community is full of like-minded entrepreneurs just like yourself who are going to help you and grow together as you build your AI automation agency. You can also follow me on social media at It's Tyler Germain, where I post a ton of helpful content for AI automation agency owners. Make sure to head down and click that subscribe button. Click the bell next to it so you get notifications when I post and you won't miss any future AI automation related content. That's all for this video. I'll see you guys next week.